Hello. So we are going to make modifications of bow and arrows. We have this one right here. We have this one right here. We have this one right here. We'll start with this one, okay? So this is what I say it's pretty much the first bow and arrow I ever saw. So we're going to make it. Now we blow it up all the way. Put a knot on it, of course. Like I said, it's blown up all the way. We're going to find the halfway point right here. And what we're going to do with this one is we're going to take a 260. You can use a 160, but I pretty much use everything 260. So we're just going to tie that on. And then we're going to spiral. And if you want, you can kind of give it a squeeze at each rotation. If you don't want to give it a squeeze, then don't. Just rub it up there, right to the top. You're making a bow and arrow. I really don't think the squeezing it, which will make it a tighter spin. Maybe you can actually see just a little tighter than we got to the top. And now we're going to take this 260, and you can either just pull it straight down and tie it onto the end here, or if you have time, which sometimes I like to do, but you know, if I'm pressed for time, I don't. What I'm doing here is I'm spinning the 260. And I guess, to be honest, if I was thinking about this before I started, I would have tied the end of the 260 so that I'm spinning the air towards the nozzle of the 260. Because then it seems to just get a bit of a bubble there and it's easier to spin. Eventually I'll get the bubble, but it's starting right there and I want the bubble up to the top there. It just makes this part a little bit easier. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, here we go. So that's pulled. Wrap it around, okay? So it gives it, I think, a bit better shot. Let's make the arrows now. We'll take whatever color. Now you can use one full balloon as an arrow. I tend to use the full balloon to make 2 arrows, okay? So we're going to figure, about halfway. We're going to do double pinch twist. So 2 fingers. Spin them, then double pinch twist. Spin that a few times. Okay, then we're going to do it one more time. Bubble, which we eventually will pop that bubble. Then we're going to do another double pinch twist. And this is how I make my arrows pretty much always. Spin that a few times. I give them a pull apart, break them. Okay, so that is one arrow. Here's the other arrow right there. And for this one, I try to tell the kids, lay it flat. If you go like that, it falls right down, okay? So what I do is I just pull it and fire. Off she goes. I normally cut the nozzle off. If you have time, then I put this blue thing around there. I think that you can figure it out. You go here. You go over the top, you go around the other way, and that way the kids can put the arrow right through, and then they shoot right there. Okay, make sure you make this part big enough here, otherwise the arrow will get jammed in there, of course. Boom, off she goes. All right, now we're gonna make this other one right here, which uses 3 balloons in total. This I didn't need to make this gray part so big, but we're going to do it anyway. So take whatever color you like. Blowing it up all the way. Actually, I may as well use this part for the gray. Okay, so you see right there, I hope. Good. So we're going to do a very good span right there, whatever, 4, 8, at least 12 fingers, okay? Then you make another 12, fold them together, or yeah, kind of turn your original bubble into a pinch twist. Then I will grab a blue one, just like I've done with the one I'm demonstrating with. Blow it right to the end, tie it, right to the end, fold it in 2, right there, give it a twist, and then each portion is pushed into one of the loops on the gray. Push that in there. Push that in the other side. Give it a good pull down. Twist your two blues together. If you don't want to use the entire gray, then don't. Just use as much as you want to. This one I'm just making it shorter. The only thing is if you make it shorter, then you have to spend your time popping it and retying it. And I don't think it makes any difference. I find this one, though, it's good in some ways, and in other ways, you have to explain it to the kid how many times on how to make it work. So for me, even though I'm showing this one, I don't like to use it. But maybe you do. Okay, we're going to take our balloon. I don't know why. I just like to suck the air out of the balloon if I'm going to make it into a bow and arrow. There's no reason you have to do that. Anyway, we've tied to the top. And we're going to go down to the bottom. Okay. Adjust the gray so it's approximately halfway like this one. And then you grab your arrow. Put it right through. Pull. Now I find the kids can't figure this out. The pulling here, they always want to spin it the other way. Especially with this one, they go like this a lot. But, you know. So I've demonstrated this several times and it just doesn't help. Boom. Fires. Now we're going to make this one right here. This is the one I've been making lately. It definitely gets the best response. You can use it this way. You can use it this way. Whatever the kids want to hold it. I think it works quite well. To be honest, as near as I know, this is mine. I haven't seen anyone else show this bow and arrow. It is definitely modified from this one, though. Okay? I seem to remember looking at this one thinking, hey, maybe I could do something with that. Anyway, so here it is, and boom, she fires. Okay, so I'm going to show you just two slight variations on this. We'll start with the exact same. We're going to take a balloon. We're going to blow up just about all the way. There, like that much. Even more if you like. There's no reason you can't go more. Okay? Then we're going to do a single pinch twist. Make sure that's pinched, you know, and give it a good pull. You don't want it to unwind. Then you're going to do about 5 to 6 fingers. You're going to make sure the air is squeezed right to the end. I didn't squeeze it to the end. I should have inflated better. Okay? Then you're going to do a, 1 or 2 finger bubble. 2 fingers probably better. Spin that around. You're going to find your opposite side right here. Twist that into the original pinch twist. Wrap it around once, twice, whatever, right? Whatever is good for you is good for you. Find the direct top here. Find the direct top there. Grab whatever color you want for your the string on your bow. Tie that in. Tie that in again. And I find with this one, I don't know why, I can show the kids goes right through there. And for whatever reason, they seem to figure this one out quicker than the other one. So it goes like that, right there. They can go this way, can go that way, just boom, fires. The big thing is make sure this is big enough. I don't think it makes any difference whether this pinch twist is on the inside to give it a bit more shooting power. I mean, it's a balloon, right? There's no real strength to it, okay? Now, the only difference I'm going to make in the next one is I'm going to use a total different color here. So, for no reason at all, we're going to take yellow. Okay. And we're going to do a double pinch twist. And we're going to do a third pinch twist. But once again, if you don't want to use 2 pinch twists, you want to even just use 1 on each side, that would also be a fine. Okay. Doing pinch twist. 1 more pinch twist. Okay, there. Twist, twist, twist. Then we're going to take whatever color you want to make the rest of the arrow with. I'm going to make a different color. There. Blow it right to the end. Tie it up. Find your end right there. Push those into your triple pinch twists. Wrap around once, twice. Then you'll find approximate halfway here. Approximate halfway the other side. get rid of the yellow. Another full balloon for the string. And right, tie that onto the other. I pretty much use the whole string there. I should have maybe mentioned that, the entire string. Okay, and there you go. The exact same thing. It's a bit longer. All right, let's grab the arrow. You can see it's a bit longer. So if you do that, then you definitely need, well, probably will need another, like a longer arrow. Okay, and once again, on that one, if you really want to put a pinch twist in between, then you go right ahead. By what I mean is the right there. Okay, so that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're making a request, please check my all of the videos I've done. I've had some people requesting for videos that I've already made. So but questions, please ask, request, please do. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.